What's up, guys? It's your boy Knockout 360 with another video for you guys. So as you can tell, I'm in a car. That makes this a car vlog. You already know how it's going down when I come around, man. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. So I might actually have some bad news, man. I might have probably the worst news that I brought to my channel in quite some time, man. So first off, let me give credit and respect where credit and respect is due. I'm sitting here watching my man MDG Collections. That's Mike Delta Golf Collections, right? MDG Collections. He's another YouTuber. He's got a dope ass black 392 Charger. He's all over Instagram. He's doing big things. I think he's got like 12,000 subscribers. The man's killing it. You feel me? He's killing it. And I'm sitting here watching his most recent video, or probably prior video, or whatever the case may be. And he titled it, "Why Dodge Will Not Be Redesigning the Charger and Challenger in 2021. So I saw that and I went crazy. I was like, this man's bugging right here. Everything that I've been reading has been telling me that Dodge will be doing a redesign in 2021. Every article, every excerpt, every Instagram post, everything just makes sense that Dodge is going to be doing a redesign in 2021. That's what I've been telling you guys. That's what I've been feeding you guys, is that Dodge is doing a redesign in 2021. Hold your horses. For all of you that's out there waiting to upgrade, chill, relax, just hold on one more year before Dodge drops a bomb on us and gives us the brand new shit, right? So I'm watching my man's video, and once again, I'll put all of his information down in the description. I'm not taking anything from him. I'm not stealing anything. I'm simply giving my 2 cents on this and as to why I think he hit the nail on the head with this one. I mean, he knocked it out the park with this one. And basically his premise was that based on everything that he's observed, it's more than likely going to be 2022, 2023 before they do a redesign. He was saying that basically, if you look at kind of the timeline, so let's start with the Challenger. So, and my dates may be incorrect. I mean, don't jump on your boy. I'm not a fucking statistician or something like that, or, you know, I don't have dates like that in my head when it comes to the cars or whatever, but you know what I mean. So let's go back to the Challenger, right? Because everything started with the Challenger first, did it not? So we're looking at 2017, 2018. Dodge drops the Dodge Challenger Demon wide body. That's the first iteration of any wide body that we've seen, was with the Dodge Challenger Demon wide body, right? That probably came out in 2017, 2016, 2017, like late 2017, something like that. So they dropped the Demon wide body. That's the first that we've ever seen of the wide bodies, right? So boom, everybody's thinking, okay, so it's coming to the Charger soon, right? It doesn't. Dodge then drops the Red Eye Hellcat wide body Challenger. Once again, another wide body. And then they released two other Challengers. They released the wide body Hellcat Red Eye 797 wide body. They released the regular Hellcat that's now putting down 717, if I'm not mistaken. It's a wide body as well. And then they also released the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body Challenger as well, right? And they did all of those pretty much year after year after year. So if the Demon came out in 2016 or 2017 rather, let's say the Challenger Red Eye Hellcat and the regular Hellcat and the Scat Pack wide body, let's say those came out in 2018, right? So that's the timeline. So we're talking about maybe 2.5 years worth of upgrades that it took to get to the point that where we're at right now, right? Where we finally have a wide body Charger, finally, right? So in all theory, let's be honest here, the wide body Charger hasn't even officially dropped. You can't go into any dealerships and put down a down payment. It hasn't even been stated as what, you know, what dealerships is coming to, what the whole system is going to be, what the process is. We know the prices. We know what it's going to look like inside and outside, but you're not going to see any on the dealership, you know, parking lots right now. So technically they haven't even dropped yet, right? But they have announced them. They've announced the 2020 Dodge Charger wide body Hellcat and Scat Pack, obviously putting down 707 and then 485. And then they've also announced the new iteration of the Daytona Dodge Charger wide body Hellcat, which is doing 717. To his point, and when I say his point, I'm talking about MDG, he basically stated that it would not make sense for Dodge to drop a wide body Charger Hellcat, wide body Charger Scat Pack, basically this new design, this new addition to the Charger family, and then just kill it after 1 year and then come out with a brand new redesign for the Charger. So basically what he's saying is that it would not make sense for Dodge to hold on to the Charger wide body as long as they have, bring it out in 2020, give us everything in 1 year with the new refreshed front end wide body, the whole nine, new suspension, new colors, new rims, and all that shit. It wouldn't make sense for Dodge to give us all that in 1 year, 2020, and then turn around in 2021 and do something completely new. It makes more sense that the Charger is going to kind of follow the lineage of the Challenger. And I say that to say they're going to give us the wide-body Hellcat first, and now they're going to give us the wide-body Hellcat Daytona 717. There may be a chance that they give us a red-eye Hellcat wide-body Charger or something to that effect. And then they may end up giving us even a different iteration of the wide-body Dodge Charger. Maybe even a Demon, I don't know. And when you do the math and you look at the Challenger and you look at how long it took Dodge to go from the wide-body Demon to their wide-body red-eye Hellcat to what we're seeing now, that's what, 2-3 years right there? That's 2.5 years worth of upgrades, if you will. Let's say upgrades or updates. From 2017, when the Dodge Demon was first dropped, and once again, do not crucify me for my dates, they could be wrong, but from 2017 to when the first Dodge Challenger wide body was dropped, which is the Demon, and then subsequently when the Demon stopped selling, or when they got rid of that because it was just kind of a promotional thing, when that went away, then they dropped the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye 797, still a wide body. And then they started offering the regular Hellcat wide body and then the Scat Pack wide body. That's at least 2 years worth of upgrades. 2 years worth of changes to the wide body frame, to the Dodge Challenger frame. That's at least 2 years there. Dodge just dropped the Charger, excuse me, Dodge just dropped the wide body Charger in 2020. Technically, it hasn't even come out yet. We're talking about a car that hasn't even hit dealership parking lots yet. They gave us the wide body Charger. They gave us the wide body Hellcat, the wide body Scat Pack, and the Daytona wide body Hellcat as well. They gave us all that in 1 year, I understand, but it wouldn't make sense for Dodge to give us all that in 2020 and then literally the next October drop a brand new redesign. Because I feel like I've almost done a disservice to you guys, because a lot of you guys have hit me up in the DMs like, man, I'm going to wait. You're absolutely right. I'm going to save my money. I'm going to wait to 2021. And if I don't like the new body, that's fine, because the 2019s, the 2018s, the 2020s will be cheaper, right? And I've told you guys that's the formula that you want to adapt to. You want to wait. You want to be patient and save your time, or, you know, be patient, save your money, because at the end of the day, it's a win-win. If you like the new body style, you get it. If you don't, you get the previous one for cheap. If he's right and I'm right, that means we will not be getting a new Dodge Charger, new Dodge Challenger until 2022, 2023, guys. Damn, that kills me, man. That really throws a monkey wrench in my plans, man. Damn, that really, that leaves a bad taste in my mouth. I'm gonna just keep it honest with you here. But talk to your boy, man. Put me at ease. Somebody put me at ease. Tell me I'm tripping. Tell me my information is wrong. My sources are wrong. I'm an idiot. Tell me that, please. Don't tell me that Dodge really is going to hold off until 2022, 2023 before they drop the new bodies. Tell me I'm wrong, please. With this new information, is it time to say fuck it and go and upgrade right now? What are you going to do, man? Talk to your boy. As always, like, subscribe, comment. It's been your boy Knockout360. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Peace, man. Make sure you check out my dude, MDG Collections. I'm going to put his link in the description. Fuck with him first and then come and fuck with me, right? Make sure you subscribe to his channel and show that man some love, man. As always, take it easy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.